This Volvo ECU came out of a dump truck excavator that was completely dead when we received it. This ECU is used in a number of models, including the A25 A30E A35E A40E L110E L120E and the L220E excavators. We performed a full rebuild on the module, and as shown in the video, the module powered up and was waiting for reinstallation within the excavator. ERD has developed repair processes for a number of ECUs and controls used in a variety of models of construction equipment for Volvo and other brands. So please, reach out to ERD for your construction equipment electronic repairs.